Sir Isaac Newton, the man who defined the laws of the universe with an apple and a quill. But what if the thing that fell from the tree wasn't a piece of fruit, but a brand new iPhone? When the father of modern physics meets Google, Gemini, and the brutal reality of a drop test, gravity becomes a very expensive lesson. Number 10, the accidental discovery. Newton sat under his apple tree, but instead of a fruit, a shiny iPhone fell and hit his head. He discovered gravity instantly, not by the impact, but by watching the screen shatter into 1,000 pieces. The acceleration is constant, he mused, but the repair cost is infinite. Number 9, the Siri disappointment. Newton tried to ask Siri about the laws of motion. Siri replied, "I found some results on the web for laws of Lotion." Newton sighed, realized that artificial intelligence was still quite artificial, and immediately started looking for a way to uninstall her. Number 8, Android versus iPhone durability. A rival scholar showed him a rugged Android phone. "This doesn't break when it falls," the scholar bragged. Newton looked at the thick, ugly device and replied, "Gravity is universal, but style, it seems, is optional. I prefer my elegant broken glass." Number 7, ChatGPT as a rival alchemist. He tried using ChatGPT to solve the three-body problem. The AI talked in circles and made a poetic error in the third equation. Newton called it a hallucinating parrot and switched to Gemini for raw, cold data. Number 6, the viral drop test. Newton started a YouTube channel called Gravity Lab. His first video was dropping an iPhone from the top of a cathedral. It got 10 million views. People don't care about the math. He realized they just want to see expensive things break. Wait, here is a quick side story. Newton was mesmerized by the switch to USB-C, a symmetrical port that defies the chaos of orientation, he whispered. Finally, Apple has aligned their hardware with the fundamental symmetry of the cosmos. Number 5, Uber Eats and the inverse square law. He ordered a single apple via Uber Eats. When the app said the delivery was 10 minutes away, he calculated that the courier's speed was inversely proportional to his level of hunger. He tipped the driver with a handwritten calculus problem. Number 4, calculating orbits with Gemini. Using the Gemini-powered iPhone, he calculated the orbit of Mars in 2 seconds. He spent the rest of the day crying, realizing he had wasted 30 years of his life doing manual long division. Number 3, the TikTok AppleDrop challenge. He started a trend where people dropped their phones to see if gravity still works. When thousands of teenagers ended up with broken screens, Newton was canceled for promoting dangerous physics. Number 2, Gemini predicts the Apple stock. He asked Gemini to analyze the future of Apple Inc. The AI warned him about the lack of innovation. Newton replied, "As long as things fall and people are clumsy, this company will never go bankrupt." Number 1, the ultimate irony. Newton realized that while he defined gravity, Apple mastered the art of profiting from it. Every time a phone falls, a genius is born, and a genius bar gets paid. He didn't pick up his quill, he just bought AppleCare. Newton was toyed with by the iPhone. But why did Apple choose Google's Gemini over OpenAI's ChatGPT? Newton would know logic requires data, and data requires the infrastructure of a titan. Google owns the map of the world, and Apple owns the hand that holds it. What do you think? Is gravity the ultimate subscription service? Let us know in the comments.